Alrighty then. Man, I'm so glad these are 487X casting heads. These are like, I don't know why, these are one of my favorite cylinder heads. The only thing I don't like about them is that EGR crossflow deal with the exhaust valve on 2 cylinders. I'd like to take a set of these that I didn't care about and weld that all up. Not so much here as in the bowls, and reshape the bowls to match the other 3 on each side. Because these heads, you can really, wow, that's nasty. You can really get a lot out of these cylinder heads. And they're tough. Never had a pair of these that, I don't want to, like, you know, knock on wood, never had a pair of these that cracked. And I've got them hot. It's a lot of work. Yeah, I love these style of valve retainers, or the nuts on these ain't like the newer style GM uses. Every one of these are still tight, which I'm hoping means that somebody hasn't had this apart, except for they have. That push rod's upside down, that push rod's upside down. You can see the wear on it. Somebody has, well, they had the cylinder heads off, I guess, at least. So hopefully the bottom end, hoping it's still a virgin block. It's a 4-inch bore, and it didn't smoke, and it ain't got a bunch of taper or a bunch of ring ridge. This would be a really good solid engine. Always get the gap to fit rings, so I always set my own ring gap. I don't think I'm going to reuse them push rods. I might though. I might clean them up and reuse them. Yeah, why not? They're good. Have to check them real good. No. Maybe. It's dripping oil on my shop, so that one gets broken half. No. No. Maybe. So enough of these are a no to where no, we're not reusing these. Which means now I gotta check all the rockers to make sure all the rockers are okay. Some of these have a little wear on them. Wouldn't know why. I think they ran this thing hard. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and put these in here. No, I don't really want to do that. That's solvent. I don't want to put them in there. I just want someplace to put them where they don't get all screwed up. You never know when you're going to need, like, you know, just one push rod. I guess I'll put them with all the rest of these. Doesn't really matter. It's just going to get wet next time it rains. Shop's supposed to get fixed. I'm hoping it gets fixed before it rains. So that would be awesome. I finally got everything dry in here, except for where I'm leaking stuff. Well, that was fun. Let's do more fun stuff. Uh-oh. Where did I put that? I remember dropping it and then stepping on it to keep it from rolling away. I'm going to have to go back and look at the video to figure out where I put my socket. I've had to do that before. Oh! Well, I was literally just using it. I'm tired, you guys. It's been a long day. Don't give me no shit. Oh, that's completely full of... Wow. That is all metal. really bad. Something tells me I will be replacing the crankshaft in this engine. Lots of other stuff. Yeah, that's bad. Stupid Japanese beetles. Why don't you go fly in that bug zapper, dude? This sucks without music. I'm having all kinds of second thoughts about doing this video right now, because I could totally have music on doing this. And crank that thing right up. Possibly. What's the deal here? Oh, party foul. Hey, that don't look too bad. Oh, that's real nice and heavy. Oh yeah, that is a good cylinder head. That's what I like to see. Okay, what's the bore look like? She got some ring edge. Not bad though. Wow. Okay, we got a little glazing in there, but not freaking bad at all, man. That is pretty good. Now the part that worries me, we need to measure this real quick, make sure it's still a 4-inch bore. That would suck if somebody's already bored that out. What's going on here? Sweet. Oh yeah, we are good to go. That is what I like to see. Alright, let's knock that other head off real quick. Got a lot of cleanup to do on. Holy crap. What is all that? Is this real? Like, what the hell? That's all metal. Somewhere something is very unhappy in this engine. I'm gonna find something interesting pretty soon, I think. Yeah, I know I'm not loosening these up and I don't. Don't care. My engine, I'll loosen them in whatever order I want to. I wonder how many mechanics that call themselves professional mechanics is watching this video. Gonna comment, oh, you're doing this wrong, and you're doing this wrong, and you're doing all this stuff wrong. Oh, cry me a river. I will do it wrong as many times as I like, because I don't know how many engines I've built. Never had any problems doing it the way I do it. That's why I'm making this video, and a bunch more similar to this, or about this engine, I guess, because I want to kind of just show people how easy it is to build these, and just a few simple things you can do to them make them way better. What's behind this one? Oh, got a little scoring in that one. Oh, sweet. This cylinder head looks good too. That makes me happy, happy, happy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that looks damn good. Yeah. All right. A little bit of scoring in this back one. A little bit of glazing. Barely, it will catch your finger now. Ooh, got a lot of scoring in that one. Not too bad. Which one is it? Number 1. Number 8. Three or 4. Nah. That one. That one's good. That one's good. That one's good. That one is not. 4 rods getting ready to go out. 4 rod bearings that's bad. How did that thing even run that good? That's got 4 rods in it. 3 on this side and 1 on this side that's loose. How in the hell was that running without? That's just a testament of small block Chevy. You can just drive those things off the end of the earth and they don't care. They just keep going. Gotta love it. I'm curious to see how much bearing that doesn't have in the bottom of it. Start pulling lifters, get all the damn lifters out of the way. Well, yeah, we'll do that. See if they're seized in their bore. Usually when you run metal through an engine like this, all the lifters kind of get unhappy, and they don't want to come out of their bore. Also on older engines they do that anyway, just because they're full of tarnish and oh, that's tight. Yeah. When I have an engine where the lifters are this tight and they're not wanting to come out from the top, chances are there's crap on the bottom of them, and they're just not going to come out without scoring up all the metal. So I'm rebuilding it anyway. I'll just roll the engine over and roll the engine over, and the camshaft will push them all down out of the way, and you can pull the camshaft out with the engine upside down, and then just flip the engine back over and just shove them right down in their bore, and they'll fall down in the cam tunnel and fall down out of the bottom of the engine. So I'm not worried about getting them lifters out right now. If they fall on the ground while it's upside down, great. If not, I'll pull them out later, because I don't want to damage anything taking them out. they'll get mushroomed over from a camshaft wearing a lobe, and we'll have a burr on the edge of them on the bottom. So yeah, I'm not going to mess with that. We're going to go ahead and flip it over. What we need to do is take the harmonic balancer off right quick. Get that out of the way. First thing you got to do is everything you need to do that with, you got to drop it on the floor at least twice or it won't work right. That's not it. Oh, there it is. Camouflage. That looks straight enough to me. Good enough. This sucks. Wish there was a better tool for this. Like one you don't have to work this hard at. Oh, that's cool. I got paint all the way there. People suck at painting engines. That's like, that'll let you know how out of shape you are. It's time to flip this over and make a mess of my garage floor. Well, guess what I could do is take a break and call this a part 2. Just keep these videos kind of short. Yeah, we'll do that. Then when I come back, we'll flip the engine over and start doing the bottom end, the fun stuff.